In this video we will have a look at the Spiralizer from Anko. Don't ask me about the box. The device is brand new, I never used it, so we will have a look and test it. First, let's see what does it say here. Three different interchangeable stainless steel blades with the food pusher transform veggies into thin or thick noodles, also or more and more. Dishwasher safe, attachments, 8-cup detachable bowl, and that's how it looks like. Looks like you have a zucchini here, slicing it into noodle, and this is the device itself. These are the blades. This is one blade that give us slices. This is the pusher by the look of it. More attachments. More blades. This one, the one that make thick noodles, and the thin noodles. So this one thick, as you can see. This one thin, and this one, the flat ones, they call it ribbon. This is the pole. This is the main mechanism. As you can see, there's a gear here, so it will engage with this part, and looks like this goes here, and it will rotate and slice the vegetables. On/off switch, lock and unlock symbol here. Let's give it a quick test without food for now, and later I will slice some veggies and see the result. Doesn't turn without the attachments, so I guess we need to attach the other parts. So this goes here, this goes here. Doesn't lock. How do you lock it? Okay, it doesn't lock for some reason, but okay, there is a safety switch, so it will not turn on when there is nothing inside, but you can see the thing rotates. So what's left now, I will rinse it with water, then we'll try it with veggies. Alright, I rinsed it with soapy water and dried it. Now let's give it a test. We have the small blades for thin noodles, and I will try with the zucchini and a carrot. Let's start with the carrot. Okay, we need to hold it. That's not good. That's the end, and that's the carrot noodles. Not bad. Yeah, I think this is nice. It's long strings. This is the thin, which is not really thin. Well, I don't have any. I think I need to bring another carrot to try the thicker one. Now let's swap the blades. This is the thin one, we put the thick one. And this is the thick. The thin is better. I like the thin noodle more than the thick one. This is the thin, this is the thick. And now let's try the ribbon. Try the ribbon with the zucchini. And this is the ribbon. Yeah, also not great. So probably I will be using only the thin noodle. So that's it. The Spiralizer from Anko. Thank you for watching. And I will be enjoying this.